today I have a great idea. Might sound a little crazy, but it's not too crazy, and I would like to ask you to join me in this crazy idea, but it's crazy good. So I'm gonna shop my mops for Mantas. These hair are gonna be gone. In exchange, I would like you to help donate some money, and that money will be going into my Manta research in Thailand with Thailand Manta Project. I've used 2 of my cameras until they are no longer working anymore, so we need some new camera gear. As you might know already, the Manta research that we are doing, we need the database, and to do that, we need the photos and videos up there under belly marking. So camera is the main tools that we are using right now, one of the main tools. And we really need them, so I would really appreciate if you would like to join me in donating this money. And I'm gonna be shopping off my mop, and I'm gonna have short hair again. I never ever done this on purpose by shopping my hair because I love having long hair and I love my hair so much. But I just had my birthday and I would like to start this year off by doing things for the good cause. So I'm shopping my mop off for the mantas, the animal that I love, and also these hair are going to be donated to from Angel Foundation, which they make the wig for cancer patients. So good things all around. Spreading the joy, spreading the love. I hope you are going to be helping me in this journey. Help me donate. I would really, really appreciate it, as we really, really need the camera. If you have the camera gear, underwater housing, underwater camera, video lights, tray, anything you don't need or no longer use, then also feel free to send them over to us because we need them. And why not repurpose it and reuse it before we're buying something new, creating less waste as well. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you join me on this journey and receiving some good feeling, spreading the good vibes. Thank you. Love you all. Bye.